Welcome back to GigaBits, the channel where we break down real tech and finance topics, cut through the noise, and help you understand what actually matters before you make decisions. Today, we're digging into a question a lot of investors are asking in 2026. Tesla stock or Rivian stock? Which one is the better investment? Both companies are major players in the electric vehicle industry, but they are very different in scale, strategy, and market position. We'll break down the key differences, strengths, risks, and what each stock looks like as an investment in 2026. Company profiles: Tesla and Rivian. Tesla is one of the most recognized car makers in the world and a leader in electric vehicles, energy storage, and autonomous driving technology. Tesla has been profitable for several years. It generates massive global revenue and continues to expand production and technology offerings. Rivian is a newer entrant focused on rugged EVs and commercial delivery vehicles. Rivian gained early attention with high demand for its adventure-oriented vehicles and partnerships with major brands. However, Rivian is still scaling production and has a smaller global footprint compared to Tesla. Business model and market position: Tesla has broad market exposure beyond vehicles, energy storage and solar products, full self-driving software, massive global charging network, gigafactories producing at huge scale. Its strategy involves vertical integration, software monetization, and continual innovation. Rivian focuses primarily on rugged EVs and fleet partnerships. It has exclusive deals with delivery companies and a clear niche in the market, but a narrower product range. In 2026, Tesla's revenue streams are diversified, while Rivian is still working toward consistent profitability. Financial performance: Tesla has delivered positive earnings for multiple years and maintains strong cash flow. It continues to invest heavily in artificial intelligence, autonomous tech, and global production capacity. Rivian, on the other hand, has faced production delays and higher costs, common for scaling automakers, and is working toward profitability. Its revenue growth is promising, but expenses remain high. From a financial stability standpoint in 2026, Tesla is generally considered more stable, while Rivian represents a riskier but potentially higher growth play. Stock price history and growth potential: Tesla's stock has experienced significant volatility over the years. In 2026, it remains a major component of many portfolios due to its size and influence in EV and tech markets. Tesla's future growth is tied to autonomous driving adoption, energy tech expansion, and global vehicle demand. Rivian stock has also been volatile, often moving with production milestones, delivery numbers, and cash flow reports. Its growth potential hinges on scaling efficiently, expanding its product line, and capturing more market share. Historically, Tesla has shown resilience and capacity to rebound during downturns. Rivian's path is less predictable, with bigger moves tied to operational execution. Risks to consider: Tesla risks include global competition in EV and AI sectors, regulatory pressures on self-driving tech, market saturation in key regions, and dependency on innovation cycles. Rivian risks include execution and production scaling, profitability challenges, narrow product range, and reliance on specific market niches. Tesla's larger size means slower percentage growth, but stronger stability. Rivian's smaller size means higher risk, but potentially bigger upside, if execution succeeds. Which one is better in 2026? There's no one-size-fits-all answer, but here's the practical split. Tesla stock is better for investors seeking stability and diversified tech exposure, long-term holders focused on global EV leadership, people wanting exposure to energy and autonomous tech. Rivian stock is better for investors willing to accept higher risk for higher potential growth, those who believe in Rivian's niche market strategy, traders focused on milestone-driven volatility. In summary, Tesla is generally considered the safer and more diversified investment in 2026, while Rivian offers higher risk and higher potential reward, depending on execution. If this comparison helped you understand the differences between Tesla stock and Rivian stock in 2026, make sure to give the video a like and subscribe to GigaBits. We break down stocks, tech trends, and investment topics with clarity so you can make smarter decisions. Turn on notifications so you never miss a real-world guide like this. See you in the next one on GigaBits.